Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our nonfiction work. You will notice that I am on Google Classroom, just kind of reminding and showing you where some things are. Now, today, you will notice under our nonfiction unit, there are two things. I've started to compile a list of nonfiction articles that you can look through and read if you don't have any nonfiction books at home. There is also the piece of work that we are going to continue working on today. We were looking at structure, main idea, and main parts. So we've got our Amazing Octopus article. There was that little video all about using structure, using main idea, using parts, and then here was the chart, just in case you forgot. And the chart was listed in your slideshow so that you could actually write your own notes about things that you were noticing. So last week, what we were doing was we were looking at the article all about Amazing Octopus, reading it, enjoying it, thinking about their siphons, thinking about the things they use to escape quickly, which had to do with cause and effect. You know, they're being attacked, and so what's the effect? They're using all of these different things like their jet propulsion, a siphon, which lets them breathe out water. We read that they have 3 different hearts, 3 different organs. I know a lot of people were reading all sorts of different things to kill its prey. The octopus bites with its tongue to break its jaws and inject venomous saliva. So there was tons of cool stuff going on in this article. But today I am giving you the option to choose your own article. Today you are going to have about 20, 25, 30 minutes to finish up recording main ideas and supports, text structure, which are all of these: chronological order, cause and effect, problem and solution, compare and contrast, or the parts and how they fit together. Now, if you are someone who really truly loved and enjoyed the octopus article, you can continue working with Lessons in the Deep, Amazing Octopus, grade level 5. If you were like, not my thing, instead you can come and pick from some of the other articles in the nonfiction articles tab: cell phones in schools, sunflowers, what we lose when animals become extinct, and the first woman kicker for the Vanderbilt football team. There are 4 there right now, but once you click, you'll probably notice a few other options as well. So first task is going to be to open back up your slideshow and notice, what do you still need to find? Do you still need to look and notice main ideas and supports, text structures, parts and how they fit together? And if so, what are you going to use to look for that information? Are you going to look at the Amazing Octopus article, or are you going to look at the others? Before you make your choice, maybe peruse, open up, click, and enjoy your articles and just kind of see what's going on in them. That way, as you complete your work, you can choose an article that you're really interested in. If you forget what we are working on, you can go consult the Nearpod. Alrighty, happy reading.